Hello students, today we are going to discuss this example. Prove that the plane x plus 2y minus z is equal to 4 cuts this pair x square plus y square plus z square minus x plus z minus 2 is equal to 0 in a circle of radius unity, and find the equation of the sphere which has this circle for one of its great circle. Now there are two parts in this example. Number one, to prove that radius of this circle is unity, that is 1, and second one is find out the equation of the sphere which has the given circle as one of its great circle. Now first of all I write the equation of the sphere, that is I write here s is equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus x plus z minus 2 is equal to 0. Now what is the center of this pair? So center of this pair, it is 1 by 2, 0 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, so I write here coordinates of C are 1 by 2, 0, minus 1 by 2. Now what is the radius of this circle? Radius is equal to square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So what is u square? U square is 1 by 4 plus v square, v is here 0, and w square 1 by 4 minus d, so minus minus plus 2. So it is root of 1 by 2 plus 2, that is root of 5 by 2. So radius of this pair is root 5 by 2. So therefore I write here Cp is equal to root 5 by 2. Now we have to show that radius of this circle, now which circle, which is the intersection of sphere with the plane. So you are asked to show that this distance is unity, that is 1. So let us calculate OC, which is the perpendicular distance. I write here OC is equal to, so it is a distance of this point from this plane, perpendicular distance, so which is given by the equation modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1. So ax1, so a is here 1, x1 means coordinates of this point, that is 1 by 2, plus b by 1, b is here 2. Recall the standard form of equation of plane, so 2 into 0 plus minus 1 into minus 1 by 2. So it is ax1 plus b by 1 plus cz1 minus d, so minus d is here minus 4 divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. A is 1, b is 2, c is minus 1. So it is root of a square, that is 1 plus 4 plus 1. So is equal to, now this is 1 by 2, this is also 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1. It is 0. So 1 minus 4. So it is minus 3 divided by root 6. Since it is distance, so therefore we say that it is 3 by root 6. Now look at this diagram. So here this Cp is root 5 by 2. Then OC is, now I write here OC is equal to, therefore OC is equal to 3 by root 6. Now let us calculate OP. So by Pythagoras theorem, in this right angle triangle COP, so CP square is equal to OC square plus OP square. Therefore OP square is equal to Cp square. Now what is Cp? Root 5 by 2. So square is 5 by 2 minus OC square, that is 9 by 6. So it is 5 by 2 minus 9 by 6, that is 3 by 2. So is equal to 2 by 2, that is 1. So this is our first part, that is radius of this circle is what? Unity. Now we have proved first part. Now what is second part? You are asked the equation of this sphere which has this circle for one of its great circle. Now equation of sphere which passes through the circle which is given by the equation S is equal to 0 and U is equal to 0. Remember that S is equal to 0, this is equation of sphere, and U is equal to 0, it is equation of plane. So equation of sphere together with equation of plane, it produces a circle. Now equation of sphere which passes through the given circle which is given by this equation is S plus lambda U is equal to 0. Now what is S, which is the given sphere, that is x square plus y square plus z square minus x plus z minus 2 plus lambda times u, that is equation of plane. So x plus 2y minus z minus 4 is equal to 0. Now let us determine center of this pair. So simplify this, x square plus y square plus z square minus x plus z minus 2 plus lambda x plus 2 lambda y minus lambda z minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. Now what is center of this pair? So center, okay, we will write one more step, x square plus y square plus z square. Now here is minus x, here is lambda x, so plus lambda minus 1 into x. Now how many terms are there containing y? So there is only one term, so 2 lambda into y plus now z and minus lambda z, so 1 minus lambda into z. Okay, then minus 2 minus 4 lambda, so minus 2 minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. Now what is center of this pair? Center of this pair is, so it is 1 minus lambda by 2, then 1 minus 1 and lambda minus 1 by 2. Okay, now we have to prove that equation of this pair. See what is second part, equation of this pair which has this circle one of its great circle. It means center of this pair lies on the given plane. So what is the equation of plane? Equation of plane is here x plus 2y minus z is equal to 4. So we want this pair which has this circle as one of its great circle. It means center of this pair will satisfy the equation of this plane. Therefore x, so x is here 1 minus lambda by 2 plus 2 into y. What is y? Y is minus 1. Then minus z. What is z? Lambda minus 1 by 2 is equal to 4. Now 1 minus lambda by 2. Now minus, so it is also multiplied by minus sign. So you will get 1 minus lambda by 2. So 1 minus lambda by 2, 1 minus lambda by 2. So you will get 1 minus lambda minus 2. you make this correction here. So minus lambda, center of this sphere is 1 minus lambda by 2 minus lambda and lambda minus 1 by 2. So here I will write minus lambda. So minus 2 lambda is equal to 4. So therefore 1 minus 3 lambda is equal to 4. So minus 3 lambda is equal to 3. It means lambda is equal to minus 1. So replace this value in the form s plus lambda u is equal to 0. Therefore required sphere is x square plus y square plus z square minus x plus z minus 2 plus lambda is here minus 1. So minus 1 means minus x minus 2y plus z plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus y square plus z square. Now minus x minus 2x, then minus 2y, then plus z. So plus 2z minus 2 plus 4. So plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of sphere which has given circle as one of its grid circle. So thank you for watching this video.